Good morning, students. How are you all? Hope you all are fine and safe by the grace of God. Welcome back to Science Online class. Children, in the previous class, we have discussed about formation of soil, composition of soil, types of soil, and soil profile. Hope you all have learned that portions. Children, today we are going to learn soil erosion and soil conservation. First we will learn soil erosion. What is meant by the word erosion? Erosion means the process by which the surface of something gets destroyed due to the action of wind and water. So, what is the meaning of soil erosion? Soil erosion means when the topmost layer of the soil gets flown away by water or wind, it is destroyed. This is called soil erosion. What is soil erosion? The removal of the fertile topsoil by the action of wind and water is called soil erosion. We know that topsoil is very fertile because it is rich in humus. Strong winds and water wash away the loose topsoil. So, these two factors, that is wind and water, cause the soil to erode. That is, they destroy the topmost layer of the soil. So, let us see how these two factors, wind and water, cause soil erosion. First, soil erosion due to water. During heavy rains, the soil flows away with water, causing soil erosion. Soil erosion can also be caused by wind. Fast wind blows away the topsoil, with it causing soil erosion. Okay. Children, do you know what increases erosion of soil? Yes. Strong winds, heavy rainfall, and cutting down of trees increase soil erosion. Okay. Now we move on to the next topic, that is soil conservation. Children, we all know that plants get most of their nutrients from the topsoil. So, what will happen if soil erosion takes place? If soil erosion takes place, plants will not be able to grow properly. Children, do you know why? Because soil erosion causes the topsoil to erode. So, in order to have good vegetation in that area, we have to stop soil erosion. This is called soil conservation. Conservation means to protect something. Soil conservation means to protect the soil from getting eroded because soil is very important for us. So, what is soil conservation? Protection of soil from erosion is known as soil conservation. Okay. Children, what should we do in order to conserve the soil? Yes, there are certain steps that we can take to conserve soil. Okay. First, more number of trees should be planted to replace the ones that are cut down. Next, Trees and bushes should be planted in open lands. This practice does not allow the wind to blow full force and take away the topsoil. Next, flowing water can easily wash away a lot of topsoil. Dams should be built across rivers to prevent floods. Okay. Children, do you know it takes about 500 years for nature to make 1 inch of topsoil. So, it is our responsibility to protect and conserve the soil. Okay, children? Now we can write the book exercises. Turn page number 60. First, fill in the blanks with the correct words. First one, dash mixes with humus to form dash. Sand, soil. Sand mixes with humus to form sand, soil, soil. Second, dash particles are the smallest soil particles. Silt, clay. Answer is clay. Third, dash is the best soil for growing plants. Loam, clay. Answer is loam. Fourth one, dash is very fertile because it contains humus. Topsoil, subsoil. Answer is topsoil. Fifth, soil can be dashed by planting more trees and by building dams across rivers. Eroded, conserved. Answer is conserved. Next, choose the correct option. First one, which of these does soil contain? A. Sand. B. Remains of dead plants and animals. C. Minerals. D. All of these. Answer is D. All of these. Second, which of these refers to loamy soil? A. It is the best for growing plants. B. It contains equal portions of sand, clay and silt. C. It allows water to pass through easily. D. All of these. Answer is D. All of these. Third, which of these refers to the remains of dead plants and animals that get mixed with soil? A. Sand. B. Clay. C. Humus. D. Gravel. Answer is C. Humus. Fourth one, which of these layers can be easily washed away by strong winds and water? A. Topsoil. B. Subsoil. C. Bedrock. D. All of these. Answer is A. Topsoil. Fifth, which of these does not hold water at all? A. Sandy soil. B. Clayey soil. C. Loamy soil. D. None of these. Answer is A. Sandy soil. Sixth one, which of these help in protecting the soil from getting washed away? A. Planting more trees and bushes. B. Avoiding planting of trees. C. Constructing dams to check the flow of rivers. D. Both A and C. Answer is D. Both A and C. Seventh one, which of these soils is rough and gritty and does not become sticky when wet? A. Sandy soil. B. Clayey soil. C. Loamy soil. D. All of these. Answer is A. Sandy soil. Next, write T for the true and F for the false statements. First one, plants and animals cause weathering of rocks. False. Second, plants give us food and take in oxygen. False. Third, soil contains air and water besides minerals and other nutrients. True. Fourth one, strong winds, heavy rainfall and cutting down of trees decrease soil erosion. False. Fifth one, trees and bushes should be planted to increase soil erosion. False. Next, Give one word for the following. First one, the process of breaking down big pieces of rock into smaller pieces by wind and water. Weathering. W-E-A-T-H-E-R-I-N-G. Weathering. Second, the top layer of the earth's surface where plants grow. Soil. S-O-I-L. Soil. Third, soil that does not hold water at all. Sandy soil. S-A-N-D-Y. Sandy. S-O-I-L. Soil. Fourth, soil that feels smooth when dry and lumpy and sticky when wet. Clayey soil. C-L-A-Y-E-Y. Clayey. S-O-I-L. Soil. Fifth, the removal of fertile topsoil by the action of wind and water. Soil erosion. S-O-I-L. Soil. E-R-O-S-I-O-N. Erosion. Okay. Take your science booklet and write the question answer. Already we have completed 4 question answer. Now write the remaining one. Fifth one. What is soil erosion? What increases erosion of soil? The removal of the fertile topsoil by the action of wind and water is called soil erosion. Strong winds, heavy rainfall and cutting down of trees increase soil erosion. I repeat, what is soil erosion? What increases erosion of soil? The removal of the fertile topsoil by the action of wind and water is called soil erosion. Strong winds, heavy rainfall and cutting down of trees increase soil erosion. Sixth one, what is soil conservation? List any 3 ways in which we can conserve soil. Protection of soil from erosion is known as soil conservation. We can conserve soil by the following ways. More number of trees should be planted to replace the ones that are cut down. Trees and bushes should be planted in open lands. Dams should be built across rivers to prevent floods. I repeat, what is soil conservation? List any 3 ways in which we can conserve soil. Protection of soil from erosion is known as soil conservation. We can conserve soil by the following ways. More number of trees should be planted to replace the ones that are cut down. Trees and bushes should be planted in open lands. Dams should be built across rivers to prevent floods. Okay. Children, we have completed this lesson. We shall learn a new lesson in the next class. Thank you, children. Have a nice day.